Hi everyone, this is Jo on behalf of Decor Steals and welcome. Thank you for joining me. I want to do a quick video on this beautiful Halloween sign behind me. So, Halloween. I never know how to decorate for Halloween because I feel like I want to decorate for Halloween, but then it gets a little cheesy and I don't want to go overboard, and I love fall, but what I created here is a little combination of both. Okay, so as soon as Halloween, I jump right into fall in September, and then I'll put my Halloween stuff up, and then I'll remove some but leave the extra fall stuff there for, November, and then it's right into Christmas in December. So let me talk to you about this sign. It is huge. So you can see that I put it on this old piece of wood. It's just a rustic barn wood ladder of some sort. And I hung it on there because it does have two hooks, okay, on either side. This sucker is huge, y'all. So about 48 inches long, so almost 4 feet long. And then about 10 inches wide. Okay, it's orange, the patina is cool, it's chippy, so it's black metal embossed letters, so they really pop out. I want to get a close-up of this chippiness for you. Let the camera focus. This is cool, okay? Now, I'm not a Halloween decor guru, but this is cool, and I would be proud to put this up. Now, you can put this anywhere. I was going to use it outdoors, which it's not recommended outdoors, but I think under a covered porch it would be fine. Your front room, your other sitting room, your kitchen. I mean, this piece is super cool. It's super large. It's super farmhouse, y'all. Thank you guys. I hope this video helps you make your decision on this awesome Halloween sign. And also make sure that you're following me at JJ Finds and Designs.